you have young people in this office?
Yes.
Gen Z?
Yes.
Tupatie story yao, wanakupelekaje?
They assist me as an old guy. Because they do something which you think that cannot be done. And they do it, it is done.
There's some time, I don't know, there's some time back in uni, people used to, ukisikia mtu amekuita broker, ai, unajua hapa huyo amekushukishia sana. So, what are some of the myths zenye they come with the operating in brokerage?
There are so many young ladies. So they think that brokers are liars. Brokers are eating clients' money for nothing.
What a one people, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. It's your girl Susenge, the girl with the golden voice, but you can call me the girl with the plan. Welcome to another exciting episode where we are always unpacking about biz and banter, stories and coins from the vibrant Kenyan business street to the lush boardrooms of corporate Kenya. So today, nimeingia Aces Arusha. Of course, you know where we are, but let me bring you up to speed. Tuko hapa, I would want to call this is the HQ of Miran Insurance Brokers. And on set today, I'm seated with one very strong voice and someone who's well-lived and well-experienced. So from what he's going to talk to us about insurance and all these things and about business is quite something, and we are really looking forward to what you're about to say. He is the co-founder of Miran Insurance.
One of the co-founders.
One of the co-founders.
Yes.
So, before I start saying all this, karibu sana, am I supposed to be welcoming you on this set, or you're welcoming me?
I'm welcoming you to our office.
Yeah?
Yes.
So, give us, maybe please, you give us a proper intro of maybe what I've missed. Aside from co-founder, who are you?
My name is Cosmas Ahomo. I'm the principal officer and the director of Miran Insurance Brokers. Yeah.
Anything else? You know, the other day I was sitting with Dr. Kaluo, and he said, these titles, me, I don't care about them. You just call me my name.
Yeah, I'm Cosmas Ahomo. I would say I work for Miran or a director of Miran.
Yeah. Before we get to speaking about Miran Insurance, where you are actively in right now, you're someone who's well-lived. Would you be in a place to remember the first ever business that you did as a young person?
As a young person?
Yeah. Well, legal or illegal?
Not illegal. All of them are legal. Yes. All through I've been working with insurance since I left school. Yeah, 1975 up to now. Yeah. 1975,
that's quite something. Almost how many decades now?
5 decades.
5 decades.
Yes.
So having been in, you said you're just in insurance through and through.
Through and through.
So what really, when do you, I'm informed that Miran started in 2003.
Yeah, Miran started as an agent. And being an agent, you know, you are restricted to deal with one underwriter. Your hands are tied to one underwriter, not the open market. That was the year 2001. So when it came to the year 2003, October, Miran Insurance Brokers was incorporated as a fully fledged insurance broking firm to deal with all underwriters in the market. Yeah. So,
based on what majority of especially the young people are so afraid of things like insurance. You tell someone to take insurance, they say, apana, these guys, they just want my money, they won't give me back my money when I need. So what's the difference between you as a broker and the agents?
Well, in law, a broker is supposed to be professional. And whatever you do, any advice you give the client, you must know that it can work against you if a client takes it to court. Because you are deemed to be a professional in your undertaking, in advice you give to a client. An agent is tied to an underwriter. If you are my agent, all the misdeeds, all the omissions or commission you do will fall back to me as an underwriter. So you cannot be held responsible. But an underwriter, a broker is supposed to be a professional, and you can take your broker to court. Yeah.
So now I would want, because also it's like firms like Miran, you're there to protect someone from taking maybe advances or or even buying policies that are working against them and such.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there is the thing about conflict of interest, because people, there's some people who might argue that, you know, as a broker, they will get maybe based on how they are talking to the agents, they get a better deal, and then they almost like undersell you or misinform you so that you just give them business. So
Yeah.
how has it been for you to balance accountability, transparency, and making sure that the customer comes first?
Well, in my opening remarks,
Yeah.
professionalism stands first. Whatever you are telling, I would say the professionalism of a broker, anything you advise a client, it will be held against you. If you are a broker, an agent cannot be held responsible because you are the agent of the insurer.
The insurer.
Where a broker comes here, a broker is independent. But you have to lean more on the client because that's your client. The client has to confide everything to you, and then you convey them to insurer. If they are not good, you advise accordingly that this one cannot see the light of the day. Yeah.
Now, the business has been in operation for 2 decades now. Within 2 decades, we've had a change of guard, in the sense that we've had change of governments in Kenya. Policies, majority of the business people, you speak to them and they say, hey, the business are being stifled with taxation, the laws and all these things. How has Miran been able to stay afloat despite what's going on in the land?
Well, I would say it is on the trust our clients have on us. Because at client, if you give me professional advice, there will be no cause for them to move through bad or through good seasons. So that's what has made that. Like, there's another client which we held from 2008 to 2023, 2024.
That's last year.
Yes, that one can show you that whatever you are doing, you are handling them. You have got professional input to whatever you are doing to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have rewards for loyal customers?
Well,
like, almost like an incentive on how do you appreciate your loyal customers?
that one I don't think is not allowed. Yeah, by law. But you are putting your professionalism to whatever you are doing. You must make sure that the client is getting the best. You must make sure that even if a client counter checks in the open market, you are still competitive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we talk about risk? What has been maybe one of the biggest risks that you've taken as a company? That if it were to go south, hey, mambo ingeumana hapo, lakini it really worked for your good.
You know, if you say risk, what risk do you say? You know, we are dealing with risk.
Yes.
So what type of risk are you saying?
Financial.
Of that one, we have taken so many. Yeah. You can give like 2 years back, we did a debate which really worked against us, and we had to see how we can rectify it. Yeah, because whatever you do, whatever rebate you give to the client so that you win the business, it can work against you.
Yes.
Because even the taxman will know that you did something wrong. So you have to do everything right. You have to show the client what you did the best for their operation. Yeah.
Operating in this space since then, and now there's so many lessons that you've gotten on the way, and there's some that is there something that you wish someone had told you about operating a brokerage then that you know now?
Well, you know, I've been a broker for so many times. Well, right now the broking business is spoiled because of this tender business. Well, as much as we are supposed to be professionals,
Yes.
there are so many unethical dealings which, as a professional broker, you may not accept. People were enjoying broking firm in the 80s. I would say in the earlier years. But since the tender business was brought into play, professionalism may be there, and then the client's awareness of unethical dealings. They are unaware of unethical dealing. So to them, they know that they are getting the best out of it. And they wouldn't mind. And then consciousness that whatever you do wrong, I should sue you, that one has not gone to the client.
So you have so many, even from the banner that's here. This is quite a handful when you look at the area, the services.
These are classes of insurance we offer.
So which class has been your best seller?
Well, all these are, we deal in everything. Yes. So out of this is where a client or potential client can measure our services. They bad or up to the standard required in the market, or are they above the rest? Yes. But these are classes of insurance.
I do all the finance work, we do all the business, marketing and everything. And we've been here for years, decades. We're reputable insurance brokers. Yeah.
Why should someone want to work with Miran Insurance Brokers?
We've been here for years and we're reputable. We are very known. We do a lot of tenders. We are known through the market. We're one of the top brokers. I think we have a good experience, people working, and our co-directors are all very active. We're very active.
What does the future look like for Miran?
Very good, 100% good.
And for the clients?
They're all very secured, they're very safe with us.
So out of all this, because I believe you can have a client or clients in all the classes at whichever time, how do you make sure that you remain a place that you're giving A-class service, that every customer is satisfied in their own way, in their own different ways, but in still so many clusters?
Well, you cannot determine your services. Service is something which is based on feedback. So if you get a feedback from the client that your services are up to A class, or you get a recommendation from a client who was referred to you, most of we get referrals from our existing clients.
Yeah.
So that one shows that your services are up to date.
Is that how you measure impact?
Yes. Yeah. And then other clients are forthright. They will just tell you that, well, I was just about to change my policies to another broker. But I think that you people are above the rest.
Yeah. What has been the biggest myth? Because there's sometime, I don't know, there's sometime back in uni, people used to, ukisikia mtu amekuita broker, ai unajua hapa huyo amekushukishia sana. So what are some of the myths zenye they come with the operating in brokerage?
There are so many young ladies. So they think that brokers are liars. Brokers are eating clients' money for nothing. Brokers, I would rather go direct rather than going to a broker. Brokers are eating more money, but those are just myths within the business, because the clients must be taught the role of a broker in any insurance dealings. If you go to a lawyer, you expect the best. So brokers, they don't get earnings from the client. They get earnings from the insurance company.
Yes.
So the package which you are given, that's where they are going to earn their commission. Yeah.
Is it still something that's painful when you hear someone saying, I'm a broker ni waongo?
No, that's a myth.
Yeah, that's a myth.
That's a myth.
So how do you maybe make sure from your end at least, do you have any ways that you try to educate the clients, or what do you do?
The most important thing first is trust and educate your client in what is happening. So after educating him and you have created a trust between two of you, then that myth can be erased. Yeah.
Do you have young people in this office?
Yes.
Gen Z?
Yes.
Tupatie story yao, wanakupelekaje?
Yeah, they assist me as an old guard. Because they do something which you think that cannot be done. And they do it, it is done.
Yeah, you're not shocked with the process?
I'm not shocked. Because sometimes I can have even this my gadget jammed up. They know how to do it.
Yeah. So kuna solution.
They have got solution to everything.
Yeah.
But their solution, you know, is based on, what would I say? The concept of insurance will still remain. Yeah. You may have agency thinking, but all these things were done when the insurance started. So you have to learn it first before you transfer it to.
But now also, if I may ask, there's been a change, almost like a shift in the changing times. There's evolution in terms of adapting technology and what is digital. How has it been for you and the company to
That
adapt?
one will assist. Because like when a client pays through our M-Pesa, there's automatic receipt which goes to the client that thanking the client for paying.
Automation.
Automation, yes. Renewal. Once it's automated, the renewal just goes without you forgetting that I didn't invite renewal to this client. So that automation we cannot do without, although human beings still play a role. But what do you call it? This thing of Gen Z, it has to be encouraged. It makes the work easier for operation of any organization.
Yeah. So aside from automation, what are some, because the insurance as a whole, not only the brokerage and even the firms, the agents, it's been so, it's almost like you have to have a lot of paperwork. So how has that been in terms of changing times? Nowadays we have, like, you have a gadget, someone has a tablet, another one has a computer, so they don't need to come and do all the things on paper, they can do digitally. How has it been?
That change is inevitable. It will come when we will have paperless in the office. Yeah.
So what would you advise maybe those ones that are rigid to that change?
No, you cannot resist change, because most of the companies in the market now they have gone automatic. Yeah, you can't resist it. I was having a chat with another underwriter. You know, medical insurance.
Yes.
There's a lot of the hospitals and insurers. They are in a conflict where you find that the doctors are adding unnecessary bills if a patient is admitted. That underwriter was telling me that artificial, we call it AI,
yes,
is now detecting fraud before it comes to them. And they have saved about 10 million in 1 month.
Mike.
Yes. Are you going to resist that? If you are in operation, if you are seriously in operation?
No.
Because whatever the other party is doing the other side, you won't know. But the AI is now detecting before it reaches you.
Yeah.
So you can't resist.
Yeah. So maybe finally, could you, we've spoken about the issue about integrity and how sometimes these things can be lucrative, where professionalism, some brokers are willing to compromise. So what are some of the red flags that someone who wants to engage or have insurance policies through a broker should watch out for? Like, you should just look, if you see that one, run. Some red flags.
Red flags in a broker. Check the individual you're dealing with. Check the name of the company in the market. You can as well even go to our regulator and find out whether they have any issue. And in the market, there is nothing which you can hide, because if you are involved in shady deals, the market will know.
Yes.
Yeah. So the best thing, just check the individual or your link man to that particular broker. How they are doing their things. Or in short, you may even ask, have you people been involved in any professional negligence? Yeah. And who are your insurers for professional negligence policy? That one will give you a lot, whether you have had any claim. But with us, for the last, we have operated for now 2 decades.
2 decades, yes.
We have never had any or any negligent advice to the client. Yeah.
To a young person who is 23 years old or 25 and they are looking to start an insurance brokerage company, what would be something that you would advise them as something that, for you, before you start, just to know this one?
Have knowledge of insurance. Broking, as people normally say about broking, you know, the concept of broking may be understood. We have brokers.
Yes.
We have land brokers. We have
Car.
car brokers.
Yes.
Yeah? But you know, insurance is a specialized area. Yeah? It is even regulated by a case which was decided in London in 1948, Hadley Bind versus Hell and Partners. Any advice you give a client, whether casual, whether in a serious note, written, it will be held against you. And that's why, even right now, our regulator insists that somebody who is a principal officer must be a qualified person in insurance.
Is insurance a must-have in life as of now?
Insurance?
Is it a must-have?
No. Some people are doing self-insurance. Yeah. But if you are protecting your asset, it's a must-have. Yeah. Like most of the Muslims, you know, they are insuring their cars third party only. If you ask them to insure comprehensive, so that God is the one who gave me. If it is a write-off, God will give me again. So it depends. If you say a must-have, only motor is compulsory because it deals with third party, property and bodily. If you hit somebody, where will that person get compensation? If you hit somebody's property or somebody's car, where will he get compensation?
Compensation, yes.
So those areas is a must-have. And also workmen's compensation, where is it?
This one. No, this is work benefits.
Yeah, where it is, that is the one. Yeah. An employee is injured in the course of his or her employment. He was doing duty to the employer. Who is going to compensate her or him? Yeah, those are the one which you can say a must-have.
Yes.
Yeah. But the rest, like these ones,
Medical.
these are, we call them benefits, which you can offer to an employee. Always, if you feel that your watch is expensive,
Insure it.
so you can't say a must-have. Must-have is for a few classes of insurance, which are, this one is regulated by the Act of Parliament.
Yeah.
Work Benefits Act. So it is a must-have. Motor, a must-have.
Must have, yes.
If police gets you with an insured vehicle, you are in for it. The rest,
Benefits.
you are playing golf. It may or may not be a must-have.
How does this work?
Huh?
The golfer's policy?
It has got sections. The first section deals with your equipment.
Oh, yes, because those things are expensive.
Very expensive. It is damage while playing.
Play, yes.
You get compensation. Your ball hits somebody who was walking along the road.
Yeah,
You know, that ball is just like a bullet.
it is.
Who is going to
So hard.
so hard. Your ball hits somebody's windscreen while driving. Who is going to compensate that? So once you involve yourself in playing golf, it's a must-have. Yeah.
Ah, that's nice. So finally, all risk insurance. This one is for business people.
All is even for you, your watch.
My watch.
Yes.
This is
Because you keep on moving
yeah.
from Mushai Drive to here. About if it's snatched from your hand while walking on the street.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why it is called all
All
risk.
risk. Including my phone, everything.
Your phone. This one is restricted to the house. Yeah. But this one, anywhere, you're walking.
Finally, maybe in one sentence or just one sentence, why should people work with Miran? In one sentence, why should people work with Miran other than the rest?
Well, that one being
Why you stand out, yes.
a good employer. You take care of their needs. Everybody. You know, initially people wanted money. But, you know, within the hierarchy of needs, it's changed. Recognition. Salary is no longer needed because if you don't recognize the employee, you leave. Because a human being wants recognition first. Monetary values, you know, they keep on changing. I may give you a salary rise of 10,000.
Yes.
Taxation is there, what is there. After 1 month, it is now common. You don't see any benefit out of it. But if you can take them as you, more or less like your kids, recognize them, whatever they are doing, they are at peace. Yeah, and then they check also on their development.
That's nice. To you who's watching, maybe if you want or to deal with Miran, they also have a website. Your website.
We have.
Do you mind telling us the website?
Well,
We just go search Miran Insurance
go
Brokers.
just check www. Check about Miran. You see everything there.
Everything there.
Yes.
And then you'll find also the contact there, how you can reach them.
Yes, you get the contract.
Yes.
And then all of us have got, I think, contact line there, hotline.
A hotline where they can make a call or even email.
Yes.
All right, sawa. That's it for this episode. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Enjoy your phone. Unasikia? Hiyo simu si ni pesa mingi. Watu wa iPhone 17.
Even if it drops down,
Yeah.
you know, money is now scarce.
Yeah.
And people also want it. Getting another 10,000 only to buy another phone may not be easy. But if it was insured by Miran, just say that my phone dropped down and got damaged. You just bring the salvage and then we give you another insurance.
I love that one. Na najua pia kuna watu wenye wako hapa nje, umeenda sherehe unapoteza simu kila saa, unashangaa rada gani. Just get talk to Miran, enjoy your phone.
Or your any jewel.
Yeah.
Which you value. But you're valuable. I'll say you're valuable.
Valuables, yeah.
We have a section where we insure personal effects. Yeah. Like those your earrings, you feel that they are expensive. Your glasses.
Everything to the smallest of details.
Yes.
So long as it's
so long
valuable
as
to
you
you.
feel that this thing is very, you may have also a sentimental value to whatever you are owning. You need to insure it. Yeah.
All right. Wait after insurance. Ama ni aje watu wangu. That's it for this episode. Until next time. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and also engage with us on the comment section and also on Instagram and also on TikTok. Until next time, my name is Susenge. Adios. Why should someone want to work with Miran Insurance Brokers?
We've been here for years and we're reputable. We are very known. We do a lot of tenders. We are known through the market. We're one of the top brokers. I think we have a good experience, people working, and our co-directors are all very active. We're very active.
What does the future look like for Miran?
Very good, 100% good.
And for the clients?
They're all very secured, they're very safe with us.